Introducing Bespoke. This year's latest addition to our award-winning restoration collection laminate, Bespoke, captures all of European white oak's timeless beauty and uniqueness. Available in a 7.5-inch wide size with 12 unique planks for variety and style, and helping to create a visual true to authentic hardwood, Bespoke features 5 breathtaking colors: ivory, cashmere, wicker, wool, and tweed. Bespoke blends in seamlessly with any interior style, including today's most popular home trends like revival design, which mixes vintage and eclectic items to create interest in the home, and wellness, which is inspired by nature with earth tones and organic materials. When styled with revival decor, like nostalgic elements, repurposed vintage furniture, and dramatic patterns, Bespoke helps create an authentic and elevated interior style. All Restoration Collection products feature SpillShield Plus waterproof technology, making laminate easy to clean and both kid and pet friendly. So your floor will resist everything and impress everyone. Mannington, naturally inspired, designed to last.